Back again, continuing our series on health challenges and especially talking about major maladies. We'll talk tonight about how major maladies a lot of times can be brought on by something called oxidative stress, which creates an inflammation in different parts of the body. And when we have that inflammation, very often it creates pain. Now tonight, when I was thinking about inflammatory diseases, I thought I'm just going to Google inflammatory diseases and see if I can write down some more, because I had about half a dozen in my head that I was going to tell you about, but I Googled it. When I Googled it, found some interesting stuff that I'll be reading to you right now, and you can keep concentrating on this oxidative stress inflammation. And this just says a list of inflammatory diseases. A comprehensive list of inflammatory diseases would run to over 100 different maladies, each of which have high levels of inflammation in the connective tissues or degeneration of these tissues. Some of these 100 include Alzheimer's, arthritis, asthma, arteriosclerosis, Crohn's disease, colitis, dermatitis, diverticulitis, fibromyalgia, hepatitis, irritable bowel syndrome, Parkinson's disease, ulcerative colitis, idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, gout, lactic acid buildup in athletes. So as I'm reading this, I'm going, they're talking about how this oxidative stress affects our body through inflammation, causes, as a direct cause to some of these major maladies. It continues saying that inflammation is the end result of long-term oxidative stress. The stress can be caused by emotional stress, physical stress, nutritional things, environmental pollutants, and in most cases, some of all of these things. It goes on and on and on, and finally it says physical and mental stress also cause oxidation, and there's a huge degree of this oxidative stress in diabetes. So what do we do if we know that this oxidative stress is a major contributor to major diseases? If we know that this oxidative stress causes inflammation, is there any way to alleviate the oxidative stress? Remember how it said it can be emotional, it can be physical stress, it can be nutritional? Well, one of the things that we do is use living water. This is ionized, alkaline living water. Hydrates your body, helps your pH to become more alkaline, and when you do that, alleviates oxidative stress. We talk about your diet. Instead of eating that junk food that has the sugar in, the white flour, etc., eat green vegetables. They help to alleviate oxidative stress because they're alkaline. We take our essentials for life because we get those 7 to 13 servings of fruits and vegetables every single day, and then every afternoon we have our replenish break, and our replenish break is a muscadine juice, and that muscadine juice is just loaded with phytochemicals and antioxidants which fight the free radicals that build up with that inflammation. So, introduction to the major maladies, and I'll be talking about each of those maladies, or the most common ones, individually over the next couple weeks, and go through what I would recommend if you had that malady. But for today, realize that major maladies are brought on by oxidative stress, which cause inflammation, which cause pain. If there was a way that I had to alleviate that oxidative stress, who knows, we may be on the road to better health and getting rid of those major maladies.